Welcome to the Central Intake e-referral training module for addictions and mental health referrals. In order to access e-referral, registration is required. Please email mhcentralintake@haltonhealthcare.com to request an account or visit our website at www.mhcentralintake.com for more information on Central Intake and e-referral. In today's module, we will review mandatory referral information, OneLink and health service providers, login and user dashboard, and how to submit a referral. In order to ensure each delivery program receives consistent information, the Central Intake Program, in partnership with each service provider, have put into place standard guidelines for referrals. The following information pertains specifically to referrals for addictions and mental health services. Before submitting a referral, please ensure you have all of the above information available and completed. Otherwise, Central Intake will be unable to process your referral. When referring through Central Intake for addictions and mental health services, your referral will be sent to the OneLink program, who will screen and/or triage your client to one of our partnered health service providers within the Mississauga-Halton region. For more information on OneLink and their services, please visit their website at www.one-link.ca. We will now review the process of logging into the application and a quick review of the user dashboard. To access the eReferral application, you must launch one of the following internet browsers: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. With the browser open, type the URL and hit Enter. When the login screen appears, type in your assigned username and password. If this is your first time logging in, you will be prompted to change your password. If at any time you forget your password, click on Forgot Your Password. For security reasons, the application will lock your account for 10 minutes after 3 or more failed login attempts. User Dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see your user dashboard. The dashboard is your primary navigation of the application. There are 3 main sections of the dashboard. New e-request. This is where the user will select the requester's name from the drop-down to start an e-referral. For some users, this may be pre-populated if only one user is registered at their location. Note, for admins at physician offices, you will be selecting your physician that is referring. To do. This section consists of 4 different queues. Awaiting submission. E-referrals you have started but not yet submitted. Requires information. E-referrals returned for missing information. Completed. E-referrals indicated as completed by the receiving program or service. Out of region. E-referrals that have been routed out of region. OneLink summary. A quick snapshot of total number of referrals submitted based on the referral's current location. The referrals can be accessed by clicking on the total number listed under each queue. Let's now review how to submit a referral. To start a referral, select the requester's name from the requester drop-down list. Now select the location. This is the address of your practice, or if you are a service provider referring a client, select the service you are referring the client from. Now select the request type as OneLink. Then click Create eRequest. The application will open the referral form. First, you must search for the patient. This is to ensure that there are no active referrals that may have been created by another user for the same service. Start by searching for the patient by typing their health card number without the version code into the health number field. If your patient is from another province, please ensure that you select the province from the health number province dropdown. Once the number is entered, you can click Search. If the patient does not have a health card number, you can choose to select to search by last name, first name, and date of birth. Type this information into the fields and click Search as well. Refer to your user guide on information regarding search matches. If the search returned no search results, you will be required to enter the demographics. Any fields indicated with a red asterisk is considered mandatory information and must be completed in order to save this information and move on to the referral form. To enter the information, click in the fields or use the Tab key to move from field to field. To add multiple phone numbers for the client, you can click Add Another Phone. Each number can also be tagged to indicate if the phone number is associated with another individual other than the client. Once all information is entered, click Add Patient. Now you can complete the remaining items for the referral. The first section is asking for further information about the client, such as family doctor, if they have a psychiatrist, alternative contact, and if an interpreter is required. The next section is the one-link referral form. Complete the referral with as much information as possible and also ensuring you complete all mandatory fields. Mandatory fields are always identified by a red asterisk. Depending on certain requested services and reasons for referral, additional information may be required, which may not be identified in the application and/or additional sections may appear, such as referrals for eating disorders. Refer to your user guide for further information. Select the requested service by clicking Yes. Then select the reason or reasons for referral. Note, you can select more than one requested service and more than one reason under each requested service. Based on your reason for referral selection, the application will automatically assign a priority, which appears at the bottom of the form. If necessary, there is also additional information text box available if there is anything else that you would like to add, and also a specific program preferred text box, which you can indicate a specific service or program for the client. Medications. The last item on the form is to indicate if the patient is on any medications. If they are, you can select Yes, and select which medications they are on by either a predetermined drop-down list, or you can manually add each medication. Alternatively, if you have access to a medication list, that can also be uploaded and attached to the referral. If at any point in time you would like to save the referral to be completed at a later date, you are able to do so by selecting Save. As mentioned, some requested services may require additional supporting documents. In order to attach these documents, the referral must be saved or saved and submitted in order to do so. Please see video tutorial on attaching supporting documentation for step-by-step instructions. Once completed, select Save and Submit. Once the referral has been submitted, the record will be created and the status of the referral will be displayed in the right-hand corner. At this time, you are able to review, update, and attach additional information to the referral. Again, for step-by-step instructions on attaching documents, download the Requester User Guide or watch a short video tutorial available to you in the resource section of our website. If there is no further information needed, then you can log out of the application or proceed to submit another referral. For additional support, contact eReferralSupport@haltonhealthcare.com or call 905-338-2983 extension 4870. Please visit www.mhcentralintake.com for more resources and user guides.